A lot of people have difficulty with watermelons and melons. I'm going to show you how easy it is. First, create a sturdy base. So cut off one of the sides. It's important on anything that is tough, such as the watermelon, to use the heel of your knife, not the tip of the knife, because that could break it off. Let's do the other side as well. And now we're gonna go around in a curved motion to remove the rind like we did with the orange and the grapefruit. Now that we see the rind, we're gonna follow the natural line of the rind to remove as little watermelon as possible. Remove any excess white that you might have. And look how little of the watermelon we removed. Okay, and now you could cut it as you please. Let's go straight in the middle. Flip it down so it's sturdy. Beautiful wedges of watermelon. Let's do large cubes. Make it stand up, it's sturdy, 3 fingers. Let the knife slide down. Lay it flat. You remove the edges. And now, like you would do a regular large dice.